FlowSense opens with a clear promise for textile and garment businesses, an ERP built around the way your industry actually works. The homepage highlights inventory, production planning, orders, quality, and finance in one connected platform, with AI-powered demand forecasting to improve decisions. The performance widget reinforces the goal: better accuracy, healthier inventory, and faster planning cycles. After signing in, users land in a command center designed around their role. From here, management, administrators, calling teams, distributors, production managers, warehouse operators, and dispatch supervisors can enter the workspace that matches their daily responsibilities. This keeps every team focused on the workflows, data, and actions that matter most to them.
The executive dashboard brings the business into one operational view. Leadership can monitor total sales, pending orders, production volume, inventory value, dispatches, outstanding amounts, and sales targets at a glance. Low stock alerts and fast-moving item lists help teams act early instead of waiting for problems to reach the factory floor.
The Customer Master centralizes every buyer, dealer, distributor, and customer account in one searchable table. Teams can filter by type or category, review outstanding balances, export records, bulk import data, and add new customers when business expands. Having this source of truth keeps sales, finance, and operations aligned on the same customer information.
The Sales Officer dashboard turns field activity into measurable performance. Managers can review each officer's target, achieved amount, incentive eligibility, and payout status, while sales officers can log visits or open their sales pipeline. This makes follow-up, accountability, and incentive planning much easier to manage. The distributor portal gives partners a simple place to work directly with the business. Distributors can place orders, browse the product catalog, post requirements, track shipments, and review their sales, pending orders, dispatches, and outstanding balance. By giving distributors self-service access, the ERP reduces calls, delays, and manual coordination. The Orders inbox consolidates orders from distributors, marketplaces, email, and manual entry into one operational queue. Staff can search, filter, export, and create new orders while tracking priority, status, totals, and expected dispatch dates. This unified view helps teams process orders faster and prevents requests from getting lost across channels. Dealer requirements are managed as a structured queue before they become confirmed orders. Each requirement shows the dealer, item, quantity, required date, owner, and status, with a clear action to convert it into an order when ready. This bridges informal demand and formal order processing without losing context.
The finished goods section works like a live goods sheet for the warehouse and production team. It summarizes opening stock, production, dispatch, and closing balance, then breaks the movement down SKU by SKU. This gives everyone confidence in what is available, what has moved, and what remains ready for dispatch. Marketplace management connects e-commerce orders from channels like Amazon, Zepto, Swiggy, Zomato, and Sync Status into the ERP. Teams can see sync health, order status, customer details, quantities, amounts, AWB information, and placement dates in one table. With dispatch pushback, marketplace fulfillment becomes part of the same workflow instead of a separate manual process. The marketplace view also supports quick filtering by order stage, from new and acknowledged to packed, shipped, delivered, and RTO. Teams can sync fresh orders and push dispatch updates back to marketplaces with a single action. That keeps online channels accurate while reducing repetitive data entry for operations teams. Finally, the contact page makes it easy to start a conversation with the FlowSense team. Prospects can share their company details, team size, phone number, and the requirements they are trying to solve, while support information and business hours are visible alongside the form. When you are ready to digitize textile operations from order to dispatch, book your demo today.